Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: how to earn money using artificial intelligence. With technology evolving at lightning speed, there are countless opportunities to leverage AI for financial gain, and I can't wait to share some insights with you. First off, let's talk about the various ways you can tap into AI. One of the most popular methods is through freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling with demand for AI-related services. Whether you're skilled in data analysis, machine learning, or even content creation, there's a niche for you. By showcasing your expertise, you can attract clients looking for your unique skill set. Another fantastic avenue is creating and selling AI-driven products. If you have a knack for coding, consider developing applications or tools that utilize AI to solve specific problems. From chatbots that enhance customer service to personalized recommendation systems, the possibilities are endless. Once you've built a product, you can market it through various online channels, reaching a global audience. If you're not a coder, don't worry. There are still plenty of ways to get involved. Affiliate marketing is a great option. Many companies are now offering AI tools and software, and you can earn commissions by promoting these products through your blog or social media. By sharing your genuine experiences and insights, you can build trust with your audience and drive sales. Let's not forget about content creation. AI can assist you in generating ideas, optimizing your content for search engines, and even analyzing audience engagement. By harnessing these tools, you can enhance your online presence and potentially monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. As you explore these opportunities, remember that the key to success lies in continuous learning. The AI landscape is ever-changing, so staying updated with the latest trends and technologies will give you a competitive edge. Consider taking online courses or joining communities where you can share knowledge and network with like-minded individuals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. If you're excited about the potential of earning money through AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Let's embark on this journey together, and I can't wait to see what you achieve.